What's up, YouTube? It's Miesha LeVay, and I'm back with another video. I'm doing a wig install using this 24-inch body wave wig from Wiggins Hair. It has a 13x6 frontal with HD lace, and it came with a removable adjustable band that is perfect for extra security. It was also pre-curled, giving ready to install right out of the box. Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. So I put the wig on to see what the lace is giving without any wig cap underneath. And baby, not needed. Okay, the hairline is already pre-plucked, looking very natural, and the lace is giving very much undetectable. If you are new here, hey boo, welcome to my reality. Like this video and comment down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? So I'm starting off by slicking my edges back so I can protect them from breakage and to keep them out of the way of the wig cap. I do this in sections and blow dry in between. This is the HD wig cap that came inside the package. I stretch and pull it down over my ears and take my scissors, and then I cut a hole around them so that the ball cap can lay flat behind my ears. So I'm taking a toothbrush with some hairspray on it and going around my hairline to mold the wig cap to my head. I try my best to mimic my natural hairline and take my time with the placement because I don't want my wig to sit too far down on my forehead. Afterwards, I use my blow dryer to ensure it's completely dry. And to blend the cap with my skin tone, I'll go in with some makeup and lightly brush it on the areas where the lace will be. If you are interested in seeing a detailed video on how I apply my wig cap, leave a comment down below. And I also apply that same makeup directly onto the lace. Now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting off the excess cap around my hairline. And of course, I clean the perimeter with alcohol to remove any product residue and dirt from my skin. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up blind eye, let it slide. So I put the wig on with the elastic band and started to adjust it by pulling it down in the back and folding the lace in the front. The wig did feel really secure to my head, so I decided to remove the elastic band. I literally didn't do any customization to this wig, and it was already giving scalp straight out of the box. But I am so glad that I decided to do the wig cap because the combo was just chef's kiss. I take my finger and carve out a section and flip the extra hair over to the other side, and then use my scissors to cut the excess lace around my ear. I repeat this on both sides to get the most comfortable fit and to ensure the wig will lay flat. I apply the glue in thin layers, spreading it across my hairline from ear to ear and waiting for it to dry clear before applying a new layer. Comment down below, let me know suggestions for good lace adhesives that you recommend are great for installing wigs. Breathe in, breathe out, let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie, I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn up blind eye, let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time, let it slide, let it slide. I really should have been more patient and waited for all of the glue to dry completely clear, but I pulled my wig forward and placed the lace in front of where I placed the glue. Before I place the sides down, I pull and stretch the lace, and once I feel like the placement is good, I go in with my blow dryer.
Baby, can't you turn up blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want.
I don't have a hot comb at the moment, so I use my wand curler to press out the hairline, and these do get really hot, so they got the job done for the most part. But I did switch to a side part because while I was styling my hair, I slightly burned the top of my forehead. So yeah, if you have some good recommendations for a hot comb, comment down below. And lastly, I secured the lace with this elastic band that they sent in the package, and I'm leaving this on to melt for about 30 minutes.
We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe.
Now that the lace is melted, I take my scissors and cut the lace in sections, and then use my razor to remove the excess lace. I cut in a downward motion, but not going in a straight line to get more of a jagged edge. And I also get as close to the hairline as possible. The lace was already lacing with little to no effort. I will have all of the details and the link to get this wig down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out.
So why you being accusing? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you when we started. Instead of just complaining, you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one.
I go around my lace with a light layer of makeup to blend the lace to look even more cohesive with my skin. But it was already looking effortless. 'Cause baby, this is my hair. Period. I'm so amazed at how natural this looks, given the fact I installed it right out of the box with no customization. Yeah. I'm tapping a light layer of spritz around the front of the lace and drying it with my blow dryer before completing the last melt.
Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn up?
After completing the last melt, I'm taking my wand curler across the top of the wig to ensure it isn't bulky and is laying flat. Since this wig looks so natural, I decided to do no baby hair, and I am so in love. 10 out of 10, I do recommend because I would do it again. But that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Comment down below and let us know your experience with installing a lace wig. Also, let us know if you prefer to install them yourself or find somebody else to do it. I love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.